Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on flight mode. After click on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times and wait 10 to 15 seconds and turn off flight mode. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work not properly, so move from your area. After move area, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.